Hello, student. Good morning. How are you today? I hope everybody's fine and everybody's good. Okay, welcome back to our class. We're going to study today our book in your English book, Smile book. Kindly get it, and we're going to use today. So please get ready. We're going to study your book. I'll give you the book that you're going to study. Let's get the Smile book. Okay. I want everybody to be ready for our lesson today. Okay, kindly get this book, the Smile book, color green and blue. Okay, are you ready? Let's start now. Now let's have here the kinds of the weather. This is our review of our lesson. And by the way, some of you or many of you answered in your book, but we need to review. Okay, let us hear, listen, point, and say. So this is sunny, raining, windy, snowing, hot, and cold. So these are the pictures, and then you were going to identify the picture of sunny, raining, windy, snowing, hot, and cold. Okay, let's go to the next one. Please get the color purple and blue. Get that book and let's answer that. That is a workbook. Let's open it in page 44. Okay, it says there, match the words to the pictures. And then I'll give you the example. Here is sunny. Okay, where is sunny? Sunny, you're going to draw. You're going to match it. I give you the answer. So the rest you are going to answer. Okay. Next page, let's go to the page 45. Circle the words, then write each word. Okay. Example number 1 there, it was already circled, is raining. And you write in the picture. And number 2, you write also, look at it. What is number 2? And then number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. So you're just going to answer number 2 there. And number 3, we are going to answer that when you came back to school. Okay, let's go to the next page. Let's have page 46. Look at the picture and write the letter in the line. Okay, example number 1, it's raining. So what is the letter in it's raining? So letter D. Okay. Then number 2, it's hot. Number 3, it's cold. 4, it's sunny. 5, it's windy. 6, it's snowing. Okay, you are going to write the letter on the line. And the next one, the next page is page 47. Okay, you're going to write the letter. You're going to write the words. It's not the letter. You're going to write the words. Example number 1, it's sunny. Okay, number 2, what is it? It's hot. Number 3, it's raining. Number 4, it's cold. 5, it's windy. And number 6, it's snowing. Okay, you're going to write your answer in the blank. Okay, next, let's have the last one. This is reading time. So you're going to make a video of this reading and send it to line. Okay, you're going to read like this. The weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? It's sunny, sunny. It's windy, windy. And it's hot too. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? It's raining, raining, it's snowing, snowing, and it's cold too. So you are going to make a video of this reading. Okay, thank you students for answering your book and studying your book and listening the video. Thank you and have a wonderful day. God bless to everyone.